Dude, you're part of the show.
Damn it. Uh-oh. Need help, Andy. You want the high end or the low end, Andy?
I'm gonna let Wes, the young guy, do that.
Yeah, well, he's getting the low end then.
Yeah, that's right. That's fine. Whatever end you think is best. But yeah, you protect your back. I'm protecting my back by filming.
By what? Filming?
By filming, yes.
You smart guy.
That's right. So,
It's not, your back's not getting any younger, young man.
it is not. It is not. So yeah, let Wes get the weight on.
Did you get all the money out of your loft that you hoped to?
Oh no, we rent.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I didn't realize it.
Yeah.
That's probably a good move.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we're renting Portugal too, man.
Sound like you got a big place over there.
About the same size as this.
Oh, really? I didn't realize this was that big.
Yeah. About 100 square meters.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on up, Wes. All right, Wes, you're getting the low end, and you're backing down the steps.
Okay.
Okay.
No, let's just pick it up.
And let's go high enough where you can walk.
And things are starting to look a little bare. My nephew Wesley just came and picked up a bunch of stuff. And so we're getting down to the nubs. The table here, Lola and I have had since our first year of marriage. We bought it in a junk shop. The top doesn't actually match the legs. It's a 30s era piece. This is the one object that I really am going to miss. But it is going to family, so I'm super happy about that.